Hi everyone, I'm here with a Hot Wheels haul. They had a lot of stuff for this 50th anniversary. Probably it was the biggest, it was in a Walmart, and probably the biggest display I've ever seen. I mean, there were just so many cars, I couldn't even look through them all. We had picked out enough and I stopped, but I'm sure some of you that are looking for certain things would have been like amazed. Anyway, my kids wanted these Sci-Fi police, SWAT, rescue. Let me see if you can see that. Helicopters. So, of course, 2 of those. And then this Corvette C7-206 from the Then and Now collection. Pick that up. And one son wanted this vehicle, which is a Hot Wheels. Okay, and this is new for 2018, best for track. This is number 5 out of 5 of the HW robots. Okay, so this here is the 2015 Ford Mustang GT. This is from the HW Speed Graphics, and this is 4 of 10. This is the Lamborghini Countach Pace Car from the HW Exotics, new for 2018. This is another of the Corvettes. This is the Porsche 918 Spyder in red. This is new for 2018. Another one, of course. I also got a couple of weeks ago, I forgot to do a haul, but I got the Pontiac Firebird, I believe it was a 67. The Lamborghini Countach Pace Car, HW Exotics, new for 2018. Red. The Skyjacker suspension Dodge Ram 1500 from the HW Hot Trucks. This is number 5 of 10. Okay, and 2 of those, of course. Okay, here's another. This is my one son likes police vehicles, so this is a Porsche Panamera, and this is from the HW Metro collection. So that's what that one looks like. Let me know if you've been on the hunt for any of these, or if you're looking for any of these, because I like to know what's available and where you are. Okay, then they both wanted these, the Baja Haulers. This trucks, the back opens up. These are from the HW Metro collection. It says P-Pop. And Plumbing Go on the truck. So it's a plumbing truck. There's pipes and a older man, I guess, is P-Pop. So this is number 2 of 10, I think I said that. Got 2 of those. Those are cute. Yeah, let's see here. This is the Aventador Mura Homage Lamborghini, and that's in red from the HW Exotics, 6 out of 10. And then we got these Pro Stock Camaros, and these are from the HW Speed Graphics. This is 5 of 10. This is 5 of 10. We got one in the black and yellow, and one in the yellow and the black. You can see these. Oh, get my finger out of there. Okay, and then I found one of these. I have a hard time finding Volkswagens by me. This is the Volkswagen T2 pickup. It says Hot Wheels hardware on it. VW on the front. And then it's got like a simulated chrome flatbed, and it's got the tow hitch. And I only saw one of these. Like I said, I didn't go looking through there was so much, but I just picked it up because I collect these. So anyway, I picked that up. This is the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks Volkswagen T2 pickup, 3 of 10. Anyway, let me know. Anyway, let me know if there's anything here that you've been searching for, or that you consider, oh my gosh, that's a hot item that you were lucky to find that. I always like to hear that, because I like to hear, you know, some people in some places they say they can never find certain things. Let me know. And they just had this tremendous selection. Like, I mean, they were in like 5 different spots, and then they even had not just those big bins like on the floor that like go to the floor. They had like this special display, and it had like all like deep eye level. It was made of cardboard, but there were 2 huge sections of that. Plus they were in the toys section where they normally are. Plus they had bins in the toy section. Plus they had the other bin. I mean, it was incredible. You could have spent easily 4 hours and probably not go through them all. But that's what there is. This is a Hot Wheels haul that I brought to you, and I try to bring you as many as I can, but we get Hot Wheels all the time. But I was able to do this one because my kids are out of practice, so they're not into this yet. Okay, thanks for watching so much, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.